Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable reduced motion on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First, click on your profile here, and now here you'll find accessibility, click on it, and now as you see you will find enable reduced motion, click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on enable reduced motion on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.